Over 40 eager adventure travelers arrived on Monday afternoon on a luxury cruise ship to take in some of Niue's mysterious sights. The Clipper Odyssey, equipped with state-of-the-art navigational and communication equipment, made a brief stopover in Niue at least once a year. It has the capacity to carry about 110 passengers and takes groups on voyages to exotic ports of the world. Most of the travelers on board the ship were mainly from the United States. This particular leg of the tour is known as the Hidden Gems of the South Pacific, which began in Fiji on the 19th of September, going on to Wallis and Futuna, Tonga, and now in Niue, continuing on to the Cook Islands, Bora Bora and Tahiti, where they will finish off on the 5th of October. Pelini's Travel took tour groups on the Round the Island tours for most of the afternoon, checking out some of the local sites, and the Clipper Odyssey departed on Monday afternoon at 7 p.m. bound for Palmerston in the Cook Islands.